Today we're going to discuss determining whether a voltage is real or a ghost voltage with our Fluke 117 multimeter. In our first measurement, we're going to go with a known good source with a good ground. And we'll go ahead and turn this to voltage. And as you can see, we're getting a 120 reading. In our second step, we'll go ahead and turn this to the low impedance setting, and you're still going to have a true voltage reading of 120 volts. In our second instance, we're going to take a measurement with something that has an improper ground. We'll go back to our voltage setting. We'll go ground to hot. And you can see that I'm getting a low voltage reading. Now if I go ahead and move that ground over to the neutral side, I'm getting 120 volts. If I go back to my ground to hot, I'm at 4 volts. This is very confusing. Is this a true voltage or not? If I go to low impedance, you can see I'm at 0. So thus this is telling me that I am experiencing a ghost voltage from hot to ground. And this is how to determine whether or not you're getting a true voltage or a ghost voltage with a Fluke 117.